What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gene back with another YouTube video. This video is Screwface. Now I'm curious, is it Screwface Gene or Screwface Jean? I think it's, I want to say it's Screwface Jean, but I'm going to say Screwface Gene because, you know, that's a fellow Gene right there. And Easy Mill, Righteous, and Ratchet. I appreciate all y'all for, you know, letting me know, especially for my very first reaction. You're like, oh yeah, he did do a video with Scru. So, you know, that's cool. But seriously, I appreciate it. I'm going to react to this music video. It'll probably get taken down, but I got to give it a go anyway. Just know I tried. So if y'all see this, I got it through. But I'm going to waste no more time. Seriously, appreciate all the support. Without further ado, let's get started. You know you're elite. If you have a man bun, you're elite.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the...
Okay. Got the camera.
Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man.
I do know
Let's go.
Scru rap. He can rap. I know Scru can. I do know that. Telling you, that man bun is elite.
I came from the sand for holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fan. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short canyon. Righteous in the broken land. All that shit and all that chat. We can be right to the rest. Some bitches be talking, but bitch be cat. We can be right to the rest.
Hey.
We can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom of people are starving. We can be right to the rest.
Nice.
You call that the yo cap, look at top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from up against until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom.
Okay, hold on. See, like, I knew he rapped, but I didn't really, like, follow bro like that, but...
Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from up against until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village. Face the general. He's a fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing in your pussy because I'm lyrically everything.
Ooh. See, it's already not my style of pausing, but hold on. That snake line, now I think he said he's in Atlanta. Is that right? He said Atlanta's full of snakes, but he got something with the venom or something like that. That was crazy.
People are starving. We can be right to the rest. You call that the yo cap, look at top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from up against until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run the wrong way. Face the general. He's a fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing in your pussy because I'm lyrically everything. I'm feeling your love. Some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from the at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it on now. Send me the addy, we put it on now. Fucking black, we wanted you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rig? We gon' run the X and driving in the sprinter. We the SMS, the sign with the living like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Good shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest.
Hey, this is crazy.
We can be right to the rest. Hey. We can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom of people are starving. We can be right to the rest.
Stained up in a demon whip, got the cane cup, they're thinking sip. I put the A, but to let the evil get, let the thing fuck shit for the semen, tripping on top for a bullet of soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up, thinking she righteous, but she hit me up when she beg for the pole.
So ready to go, they said it before. These things that Medusa is set in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house. And I'll go in the bed where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team. Gotta stick them with a semi, they pros. Like a mafia, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that scope in my head's like a soccer. Deflating those booty shots that they blanca. We launching boys to set up the raza. So get to home and the setup is started.
Quit all of that shit, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Some bitches be talking, but bitches be cat. We can be right to the rest. Hey. We can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom of people are starving. We can be right to the rest.
Bro, I love when Easy does that harmonization right there.
Right to the rest.
still on with Tech 9? Yeah, let me know if y'all want me to react to that. I didn't even know Tech 9 was... Bro, what? Alright, that's... Okay, hold on. Let me stop this. Lord. I don't know, like, wouldn't let me stop, bro. That was... Hold on. No, that one might be my favorite one. That's a duo, low-key, that could really make noise. Because Scru was better than I thought. Like, I knew he rapped because I had heard, I've heard a couple of the YouTube raps by, what's his name, Crypt? I think it was Crypt. And he has, like, YouTubers. I think, what was it, like a YouTube cipher or something like that? I think I've reacted to one of them already. If not all of them, truthfully. I don't remember. But, Scru, this is a duo, for real, that needs to keep making music. Because that was, bro, when Easy harmonizes, it's like, that might be my favorite thing that he does. Like, he can rap, of course, and he can make music. But when he harmonizes, he can really hit that note that most people just dream they can hit, bro. That's crazy. Scru's talented, man. He was dropping lines. He kind of reminds me of like a battle rapper type, where he just sits there and he hits you with like punchline, punchline, punchline. But they fit. But the rap style, when one person's going and there's no break and then the next person goes, that's my favorite. That's my favorite style. Like the tandem rap, when they just play off of each other like that. That's definitely my favorite. Because it's just like your adrenaline's already high. So once that person passes it to the next person, they keep your adrenaline up. It's, oh man, this was tough. And I'm about to react to Fraud, so you don't have to request that. I got that. Be patient, and it's going to be on the way. Seriously, this might have been my favorite one. It's so tough because I can see why the Easy Gang, I'm going to call y'all the Easy Gang. I can see why the Easy Gang is so like, what was it, like easy, there's a hashtag like easy mill train success or something like that is what I've been seeing. My man he's talented. And he's got a man bun. I mean, you can't lose with a man bun. I might have to, like, grow my hair out, even though it doesn't grow like that, and, like, get a man bun or something like that. This was great. Hopefully y'all, like, subscribe if you're new. Seriously, I appreciate all the support. But until next time, I'm out. Peace.